If you wanted to connect your Samsung Galaxy S26 to your PC and to transfer data, then the best way to do so is by using a USB cable. You can use it in order to connect your phone to your computer, and then you can easily access the storage on your phone and transfer files from the phone to your computer or the other way around. And yes, it is possible to also use the phone link or link to Windows. However, it seems that only photos and videos can be transferred with this feature. Other files are, I guess, not really possible to transfer, or it's really not intuitive to do so, and it's definitely more convenient to do so with a USB cable. Once you connect the phone to your computer with the USB cable, you want to find this over here, notification, USB for charging phone. You want to tap on it to open USB settings, and then in here you want to choose transferring files / Android Auto and verify yourself with your fingerprint, for example, or any other means possible. After that, you can open your computer. You should be able to find your S26. You want to go over here, open the internal storage, and then you should be able to find everything that you have inside your phone. Every audio file, every photo, every video, everything that you have downloaded so far, and so on and so forth. You can find it easily in here, and of course now you can transfer it to your computer or something from your computer to your phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.